I was thinking he should have had a camera on top of this to see where he's at, right?
I don't know what he has.
It's swinging a little bit.
Yeah, you're about
he's talking to Jake.
You can go out.
Oh, this is wild.
It's got a swing. The craziest thing.
Needs to come in. Close. You're good there.
This is really nerve-wracking.
This better not end up on America's Home Videos. Whoa.
They only take off part of your roof.
Slow it down a little bit. I'm coming down.
Okay, spin it the other way. Yep, facing the door. No, I mean the short side facing the door.
You're landed.
There you go.
All right.
Did you video?
Oh yeah.
Will you send it to me?
No way.